So guys, it's really simple. Let's bring our sample video to the timeline. Keep the project setting. Totally up to you. Now select the clip. Suppose from 4 second to 5 second we want to fade out. Before we fade out, this technique works for both the text and video. Now to add fade out, go to right side, video, basic. Under that we have opacity. Make a keyframe for opacity. Then the duration of fade out, suppose 1.5 seconds. Reduce the opacity to 0. Let's see what we have. See, we have our fade out. Now how to fade in? Suppose from 8 seconds we want to fade in. Move the playhead to 8 seconds. Go to right side, opacity, make a keyframe. Then the duration, same, 1.5 seconds. Increase the opacity to 100%. Now we have our fade in. Also, if you want to change the duration of fade in and fade out again, just click on the second keyframe or any of the keyframe, then just drag it to increase or decrease the duration. So guys, that's how easily we can fade in and fade out in Filmora. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.